call upon the students to introduce the authors or the book writers to the audience.
May I invite Namita Chandy to inaugurate this OL Book Reading Festival?
Destiny, we often go through experiences we dislike. Looking back later, we find that the experience has enriched us. Reflecting on this, we tend to think that the intention of the difficulty was born to give us the experience and not to cause the difficulty. As they say, when one is pushed into water, he or she learns to swim. The happenings in my life over a past period of time have made me introspect into several aspects.
They were buried in their own thoughts. It was now the early hours of a new morning. Who would have thought such a pleasant evening could have ended like this? It was slowly sinking in that Colonel Beliapa, known popularly as Belly, was no more. He had not lived to see his 55th birthday. No power on earth could bring him back. He would no longer dominate their lives.
To save the dolphins. I mean to say, I was going to go anyway, and a chap's got to do what a chap's got to do. What?
Talk a little bit about why I wrote this book. First of all, I wanted to write. I wanted to write stories. That was pretty clear in my mind for a long time. It took a long time for me to get around to doing that because unfortunately one also had to make a living, and you can't make a living much out of writing books in India. So now finally it's come to a stage where my profession is going to support my real calling in life, which is writing. And so then the question came, okay, I wanted to write stories, so like, what do I do? So I started writing short stories. I got a couple published in magazines, and then finally I wrote a whole collection which can go into a paperback volume of this kind. It is there, it is gathering dust, electronic dust in my laptop, because no publisher has yet seen it fit to.
The introduction to these four kids, and they build a little machine. So this is obviously in the future, I believe so. And they race up to the clouds to meet these invertibles, and they get into a little adventure. Now the invertibles they meet were also children. So up in the clouds, the invertibles, if they found humans, they would not take kindly to them, but since they're all kids, they immediately made friends. So what happens? After they had decided that they were going to be friends with the four children, the invertibles walked up to the spaceship to give them some kind of tablets so that they could walk on the clouds too. But as soon as the children saw them coming closer, they closed the doors. Then all four of the children heard them say that they wanted to become friends, so they opened the doors and they took the tablets and walked on the clouds. After that, the invertibles said that they had to throw away the spaceship so that their parents wouldn't find it. They told them they would hide the kids on the sun and give them another kind of tablet which would allow them to hide and live on the sun. They all took the second tablet. The invertibles hid the rest of the sun tablets so their parent invertibles couldn't find them, and they wouldn't be able to find the children.
Going on, what you going to do? ओ, तो आप ही का नाम सत्यपाल है?
Yes, madam. My name is सत्यपाल.
आपने अंग्रेजी कहाँ तक पढ़ी है?
मैंने अंग्रेजी EIR के हावड़ा जंक्शन तक पढ़ी थी।
देखिए, यह कोर्ट है, यहाँ फिजूल बातें मत कीजिए। जो सवाल पूछे जा रहे हैं उनका ठीक ठीक जवाब दीजिए।
आप कहे उसी भाषा में गवाही दे दो। हिंदी, उर्दू, सराफी, बंगला, मराठी, पंजाबी, गुजराती, तेलुगु, चीनी, रूसी, लैटिन, उल्टिन 12 भाषा में बोल सकते और घावलाल की पोल खोल सकता हूँ।
ऑर्डर, फिजूल बातें ना करे, वकील जो पूछे उसी का जवाब दे।
बहुत अच्छा हुजूर।
आपके पिता का